Good for Gut uses all natural ingredients. There are zero artificial additives for taste or for longer shelf life. Most importantly, unlike many other products available in the market today, Good for Gut uses handpicked herbs instead of extracts to make the product more effective. So when you take a spoon of Good for Gut, what you're tasting is the herbs and not an artificial additive. Same is the case when it comes to the form it is available in. We could have made it a tablet or a syrup, but that would have meant playing around with the natural ingredients and the natural recipe available to us. This would have impacted the efficacy of the product. So between better taste and convenience of use, or being more effective, we think being most effective is what we want to deliver to our customers, that is you.